Alright, it's your boy Hood Handyman. It's your boy Hood Handyman checking in. I got another project I'm working on. Hood Handyman, please like and subscribe. Got another project I'm working on. What we have here, I'm working on a home that's been completely ran down. It needs drywall. It needs insulation in these areas where I'm going to put the drywall in. What happened was there was a window unit that was put in the window, and the genius didn't put any insulation or any weather stripping or anything around the window. And what happened was it started leaking, and started leaking real bad. And this is what they call weather stripping, a flimsy piece of tape. And the water just leaked right through and caused a problem. I'm going to need to put in some light fixtures in here. I'm going to have to fill some holes. I'm going to have to sand, tape, the mesh tape that I use to fill in the smaller holes and things like that. I'm going to be using some joint compound. I'm going to be repairing some light fixtures that are missing. I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything. And when I get done with that, I'm going to do some flooring. And I'm probably going to put a door up here where the clothes are. Excuse me. And just do some cleaning in here. So we're going to take it one step at a time. Probably going to have to replace the door. And then as we get further on down the road, I'm going to probably put in a new air conditioning unit. So I apologize, I haven't had any videos in a while. Not like talking about. I've been, I didn't have that much to do as far as this type of work, but that's you could say that's a good thing depending on the way you look at it. If this is what you love, then it's a bad thing. But if you're not in love with it, then it's a good thing. But when you're trying to make some money, it's a great thing. You understand me? So I'm going to be going through this process. I'm going to share with y'all. I'm not going to show you everything. We're just going to do one step at a time. I'm going to take you from, area to area, room to room, bathroom, kitchen, bedrooms, living room. We're going to do a little bit of everything. We're going to check electrical. We're going to check wiring. We're gonna probably do some outdoor stuff, molding. We're going to do a little bit of everything. So we're going to be doing some flooring. So just stay tuned. At Hood Handyman, please like and subscribe. And we're going to get into this. And we're going to fix this, show you how to do some renovation work and fix up everything and get it nice and tidy. If you go back through some of my other videos, you'll see that we've, that I've done a few of them before. So if you want to take a look and see what I've done in some of my previous videos, go right ahead and you'll see some renovation work that I've done. So yeah. So please like and subscribe at Hood Handyman.